Hi everyone, and welcome to Seminar 5, Vlog 6 on coaching assessment. The group I'm going to be working with is a under 17 provincial basketball group that had contracted me to provide them with some speed, change of direction, and conditioning work that could be progressed in a month's time. So I think it's actually an ideal group because initially I didn't think I was going to be videotaped, but the coaches wanted to have footage of the drills they were doing as well as some of the cues I was using so that the girls could refer to them on their own over the course of the month. So for me, I felt like I acted most naturally, whereas if maybe I knew I was going to have someone follow me around for a session, I could have planned out and set myself up for success, whereas this I think is a very natural environment. So there's three things I'm going to cover today. One thing I think I could do a little bit better of is I maybe talk too much trying to explain things. One thing I thought I did well of is using external cues in most cases and doing a little bit of storytelling. And then the third thing, which maybe I could have done a bit better job, is organizing the athletes in a way that one of them could have been going at a time so that I could provide some more meaningful feedback over the course of the session.
Okay, but our first kind of prep drill to work on our power and acceleration, we're trying to teach our body to be in good positions. So we gave our engine more horsepower in the weight room. Now we're going to try and use it, okay, on the racetrack, which is in here, okay? So our first one is we're going to be about a couple feet away from the wall. We're going to fall to the wall. This is all our wall march, our wall hold drill. So all we're working on is pushing into the ground here, like I'm accelerating, and keeping the knee up here. So I'm going to push and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost like I'm trying to push the wall away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just being very powerful with the ground. Okay? So our next one is our load and drive. Think I'm going to be in like almost a squat stance here. I'm going to push off my right leg. I'm going to drive through with my left. So it's kind of like the first two put together. So I push and drive. Almost like if I'm in a sprint stance, I'm here, or just a ready stance, I'm pushing the ground and driving the knee. So we'll sit.
So watching that clip, you can see that I spent too much time maybe explaining, and part of maybe the rationale for me in that case was I wanted to give them more information knowing that I wouldn't be seeing them for a month, and I was really trying to introduce stuff, but at the same time choosing higher quality, more concise and precise terms and words I think would have gone a longer way, as well as give us an opportunity to get more practice as well.
Two keys, push the ground, and think you're holding a bucket of water on your front leg. Okay, I can come around, I get reps. Almost like think I'm pushing, trying to push this ball back or push a heavy car. So I'm leaning, pushing, 1, 2, 3, 4. So two emphasis there. We want to attack the ground with the foot, because that's what helps us accelerate when we have to get ourselves going.
So with that group of clips, you heard some external cues, a couple analogies, a little bit of storytelling to try and get the athletes to learn it a little bit implicitly, as well as hopefully reduce some of the noise in the motor learning system, so that when they try and transfer some of these drills into maybe an open environment or back into practice, they maybe happen a little bit more naturally.
Hold each landing. Good. Stand up. And now we're down up. Stand up. Down up. Ready to go. And stand. Jump. And slide out. Ready to go. All we're going to do is we're going to roll, and when you feel like you're forward enough, just push off your front leg and go. Same distance, whenever you're ready. Pull, push.
So that last group of clips, I thought I could have done a much better job at organizing the athletes so that I could catch each athlete doing a repetition and therefore be able to provide some meaningful feedback. Overall, I have some room for improvement in the delivery of my coaching sessions. I think I provide too much information or talk too much, and could be more precise in some of the terms I use. but I do think I provide some good external cues or analogies to create some implicit learning. But at times I don't organize my athletes well enough, and I miss out on some coaching opportunities because all athletes are moving at once. This has been Seminar 5, Vlog 6, Coaching Assessment. Thank you very much.